Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be diving into one of the most potent tools for real estate enthusiasts in New York City. ACRIS, the Automated City Register Information System. Let's get right into it. ACRIS, short for Automated City Register Information System, is a treasure trove for investors, developers, and brokers. This platform lets you access property records and document images for Manhattan, Queens, Bronx, and Brooklyn from 1966 to the present. So, no more visits to the city registrar's office. All of this information is now at your fingertips. So how do you use ACRIS? It's pretty straightforward. Start by heading to the ACRIS website, where you can search for property information using these CVEN criteria. First, we have party name, where you can find property records related to a specific individual or organization. Next is the parcel identifier, which lets you hunt for documents related to a specific property. You can also use the document type to filter your searches. Just select the class of the document you need, such as deeds, mortgages, or liens. If you have a document ID or a county clerk's file number, or CRFN, you can directly enter these unique identifiers to pull up specific real estate documents. But keep in mind, this feature is only available for documents recorded or filed on or after January 2, 2003. The transaction number is another unique identifier, assigned to each real estate transaction processed through ACRIS. This 12-digit number can be found in the top right corner of the recorded document. But what about the documents recorded before 2003? For these, you can use the Real in Page or UCC/Federal Line File Number search criteria. The former uses the unique document identifiers known as the Real in Page numbers, while the latter uses a unique identification number assigned to each UCC filing or federal line. And that's how you navigate ACRIS. This system is a fantastic resource, especially for those who need to make informed decisions in the New York City real estate market. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what ACRIS is and how you can use it to your advantage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.